What is up, guys? It is me, Boss Guy 25DD here. Welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be playing Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links. So let's get started. If you've never heard of this game, it's pretty much, it's like if you played the card game, but on your computer. Okay. Okay. Okay, my login bonus, okay. Hit that. Oh. So I just got this. Okay. Let me go in my gift box, please. Yeah, I can see there's campaign going. What's going on? Yeah, I know about this. Oh, gift box. Okay, what do these do? Why is it taking so long? Okay. In a total of 5 days, I've been playing this game for 5 days. Okay. We're gonna face Pegasus. Tune Mind. Okay, let's face him. It's okay. Okay. I wish I had my okay. I'm gonna put it down him so I could do lanes. I'm gonna set that. Okay, so now, yes, for sure. Okay. Oh, You took down my monster. Okay. Okay, so you're gonna end your turn. Sis. Don't want to do that yet. Stop using magical arm shield. Ugh. Okay. Ugh. Don't want to use that. Actually, I'll set it. Okay. So, and I don't know why. I don't know why I didn't hit copycat. Yes. What? Oh, that's why it didn't work. I think he used... I wonder what that is. I know what it is. He's just playing defensive. That's Rio ran. Oh, I'd like to see you defeat me when I have my Dark Magician out. Ah! That's not all I'm gonna do. Oh, what a sad... I'll get it back. Yay! Oh yeah. Ooh. Four. Yes. Yes, I win. Yeah! My Dark Magician of Chaos is OP. Dima, woo! Okay. I wonder what I got. Oh, I got Toon Alligator. That's not very good. I don't want that. Oh man. That should have been like almost comeback victory. I didn't get get much from that. Okay. Time to make my move. Draw. Ooh, Invader of Darkness. Card trader. More like terrible card. For 10, I think. Oh. Stop that. Yay! I got 1 gem from that. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I got gate keys. I need them. So I have to defeat Joey Wheeler, I think, 1 more time. And then... oh no. I don't know what I have to do. Let's see my stage missions. Okay, let's see. Rex Raptor. That is all for this time, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe, and goodbye.